Hello friends, in this video we're gonna learn how to register on the IndoEx Exchange. You enter the TradingFinder website, go to Exchanges section, and in IndoEx profile, click on Go to Website. We enter the website, and for registration, click on Sign Up. We enter the registration section. We choose a username for our account, plus enter your email address and password, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, plus minimum 8 characters or more. After entering your password, repeat your password for confirmation. In order to agree to the terms and conditions of the website, check this box and click on Register. Enter your email, go to IndoEx, and for verifying your email, click on Verify. We enter the login section, enter your email and password. Check this box to agree to the terms and conditions of the website and click on Login. We're going to receive a code in our email. Go to your email and click on IndoEx. Copy the code and paste it here. Then click on Submit. We enter our account's dashboard. Our account has been created. Good luck.